Hey people, as you all know, we've been on this whole experiment to, try out the various vegan products there are in the market. So there is this thing known as the jackfruit malai curry, which is from the Wakao brand, and that's what my niece was kind enough to try it, and in fact help me in making it, and that's what we are waiting for this young man to tell us how it tastes. So, okay, wash your hands properly. Really. Done. You want to wash your hands properly, beta?
I didn't.
Put a lot of gravy in your plate, please.
I did a lot.
Gravy.
3 spoons of it. Dude, gravy. Do you understand the name? Yes, I know the juice.
Okay, gravy. So.
What am I supposed to call it? Gravy is gravy.
So this is originally said to be I guess prawns. So it is a typically Goan dish that I know, and I had thought I'd make it under different circumstances. But okay, I used once he finishes mixing, which will be by 2023, I think. Okay. Yeah, it is supposed to have a non-veg kind of flavor, and Anvika's reaction also was very sweet.
7.1.
Okay.
Just isn't spicy. It's not. This is spicy for you?
Yeah. Yeah, I actually had to add a little mirchi powder. It could be a little more spicy probably.
Can you give me the mirchi powder?
Yeah, mirchi powder. But yeah, so this is from the Wakao Foods, and I am so glad that I tried it. So, on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.